Merry Christmas, guys! I'm back with last minute Christmas decorations for a Christmas tree and a Christmas wreath. For making a Christmas tree, I have taken five or four, whatever, paper cups and a green color frill. So, I am just cutting the base of the cup so that it is easy to wrap around, easy to stick and change its shape. So I am just pasting the second cup on top of it and then the third one like this and giving it a conical shape. So far, if you are liking my video, there is a cute little subscribe button below my video. Please go ahead and subscribe my video, like my videos, and keep me motivated. So now I have made a cone kind of a structure with these cups like this. These I'm making it with all the materials which are generally available at home. If you don't have this green frill, then no problem, you can make a paper frill, a green color paper frill at home. And I'm just wrapping around this frill, covering the paper cups, and our quick easy tree is ready. Now time for Christmas wreath. Meanwhile, just subscribe my channel. I have taken an old sweet box, and now I am cutting it in a ring structure like this. Now I have taken some old newspapers and rolled it like this, and now I will be simply wrapping it around this ring to give it little fluffy kind of look like this. To learn more easy crafts, you can visit my channel and you can get ideas for more easy Christmas crafts and other origami material. So after almost completing this wrap with the newspaper, I'm going to secure it with the glue. Now I have taken a golden wire. You can take anything. You can also take a simple normal thread for securing the frill like this. I have taken this wire because it was available at home. Now I will simply wrap it again around the ring. Yeah, it needs very little finishing because anyhow it will be covered with its frill, whatever is left. But yet it should not be very wide, or there should not be a lot of gap so that the white paper is visible. If you have nothing at home, you can simply make it with the newspaper and dip it in like you can color it green or something like that. And you can also make the colorful frills at home like this. I have given it a silver touch by wrapping the silver one at the bottom because I'll be putting a silver bell and a snowman. You can make it complete green also. So our hanging is ready. I hope you all liked my idea, and thank you for watching, guys.